Assalamualaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to inscribe a square in a circle, and also I'll show how to inscribe a circle inside the square. So we are going. At first I'm creating the new drawing, so I'm pressing on the plus sign. Done. Then I'm taking the circle. Okay, I'm taking it. I'm taking it 10. So done. Then I'm taking the rectangle, or before going to the rectangle I'm taking the line command. So LIN, enter. Then tracing this point, then come to this point, come to this point, and come this point, and finally add to this point. Right button is click, enter. Okay, done. Then I'm going to take the circle again. Then I'm here indicating the center point, so pressing this point and drag it up to this point. Okay, you have seen. Now I am going to the hash command. So I am going here, taking the HHATCH. Done. You are watching here different types of hatch, so you are watching it. Then I can take this. I'm taking this part. You can click on this portion, this portion, this portion, this portion. Okay, done. Okay, escape. Then I can take again, if you want, hash again. Then go to the hash command, and I'm taking this portion. Okay, no, I'm taking concrete. I'm taking this one. Okay, 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 done. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share. And if you have any question, you can ask in comment box. So let me finish. Thank you everybody for watching this video.